Early observations. So, with a few exceptions, Earth's surface appears to remain unchanged. So, some of those exceptions include things like earthquakes and landslides and volcanic eruptions. I mean, just think about walking around outside on a regular basis. You don't feel the ground moving. It seems like everything stays in place. However, the surface has changed dramatically on the geologic time scale. And the geologic time scale refers to millions and billions of years. So, it's a very long time scale. In the late 1500s, Abraham Ortelius noticed that the continents on either side of the Atlantic seemed to fit together. So he noticed that South America um, and Africa looked like they went together, and North America and Europe kind of looked like they fit together. So he proposed that North America and South America had been separated from Europe and Africa by earthquakes and floods. So, over the next 300 years, from the 1500s to the 1800s, many scientists and writers noticed and commented on the matching coastlines, but not much more than that was done. So, early maps of the coastline fit. So, this was from 1858. Basically, it kind of looks like this today. So, this is after separation. So, you have South America down here, and you have Africa here, for example. North America's up here, Europe's up here. But the big one they were looking at here in this map was South America and Africa. And it looks like if you just took these and cut this, cut out South America, you could just lay it right here and it would fit in with Africa pretty well. So this was some of the early observations that were made. Then Alfred Wegener. He was a German meteorologist who also studied geology, geophysics, and geography. In 1912, Wegener presented his ideas about continental movement to the scientific community. So, this was the first time the idea of moving continents was proposed as a scientific hypothesis. And he was also the first person to look at more than just the apparent fit of the continents. Up until this point, people just looked at the coastlines and said, yeah, they look like they fit together. Alfred Wegener had a lot more data to show that these continents were, in fact, once connected. And this was first published in The Origins of Continents and Oceans in 1915.